Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you present perfect continuous tense. Let's get started. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as a present perfect progressive tense, a word form that indicates an action that started the past and continue up to the present moment, emphasizing the duration or continuity of the action it is formed using. Just like this, I will share with you. Next we have English noun has been we use for singular subject. It means I, he, she, it. We use with I, he, she, it. Has been. With I we use have. With I we use have been. We can say that have been. For plural subjects, I can say that I for use we can use for I have been. You can say like this. We, they, they. You can use these all are plural. We, they, I is a singular, but we use even we use with I have. Okay, for plural we they subject. Next we have plus the present participle of the main verb. It's mean ing form. There will be must ing form available. Next we have here are some examples of present perfect continuous. For example, now we use present perfect continuous tense and the sentence. There is two option for and since. I have been studying English for 3 years. It's mean I've been studying English for 3 years. She has been working on her project for hours. For use per not specific time, but since we use per specific time. If you see here, they have been playing cricket since morning. Morning is exact time. He has been learning guitar for 6 months. 6 months is not exact time. It's duration of an action, or we can say length of an action. Next we have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Here is the thing. You can see here for is used for duration. As I proved that, I share with you a sentence that we have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. How we wait, I'm going to tell you now. Here is the thing. For use for length of time, I can say that we have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. We don't know that which 30 minutes and which hour we have it. It's not exact time, it's a length of time. It shows duration of an action. You can say like this. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe. It means present perfect continuous tense describe the following action which I'm going to discuss with all of you. Number first action that present perfect continuous tense describe this action. What is that? Let me speak. Actions that started in the past and continue up to the present. It's mean the action started in the past but it still continue. You can say that. Next we have actions that have a specific duration or time frame. You can say that an action happened in the past, but you know that when it happened or you don't know. You know or you don't know. Specific or not specific. Since we use for specific and for we use for duration, length of time. Next we have actions that show progress or change over time. You can say that it show progress or change over time. Next we have actions that are ongoing and may not be completed yet. It means the action is going started in the past but still it is not completed up to now. You can say that the action which is taught in the past but it still continue or not continue. It's might not continue or continue. So you can say that here is thing. If you see to the third sentence, action that show progress or change over time. It means there will be no changes. A change is present or not. It means specific or not. Use with that. For and since. For specific, since is exact. Since exact. You can say like this. Action that are ongoing and may not be completed. It means the action that just started in the past but it still continue. It's not completed up to now. So that was it.